Join your hands. Close your eyes. Start Omkara. Om. Sairam students. Now what you all do everywhere? We'll start with the digestive system. Human alimentary canal. So you all know the digestive system of the human, we call it as the complete alimentary canal. Now why we call it as the complete alimentary canal? Can anyone tell?
Because it has two openings for
Huh.
ingestion and egestion separately.
Why you call it as the complete alimentary canal? Once again, repeat it, anyone?
And because it has two separate openings for ingestion and egestion.
Egestion. Okay, so two openings are there, for one for ingestion and one for digestion. That is why we are calling it as the complete alimentary canal. So, did we list the different parts of the alimentary canal before the holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so quickly tell me now. Some other students should speak up.
Ma'am, buccal cavity,
Okay, correct.
then stomach,
Buccal
Say,
cavity,
say it in the proper order.
larynx, esophagus, stomach,
Buccal,
small intestine, and large intestine.
Come on now, once again. Anyone else?
mummy,
Huh?
ma'am, buccal cavity,
All should not speak, only one student. Others should keep the mic off now.
buccal cavity,
Correct?
esophagus,
Okay.
stomach,
But after the buccal cavity, one more part we have listed.
far,
Larynx,
far,
Pharynx.
Pharynx.
pharynx,
Pharynx. Okay. After the
buc-
pharynx, then what comes?
esophagus, esophagus,
Esophagus. Very good.
stomach,
The next part,
small intestine,
stomach,
see, all are speaking. Very bad. One student speak up, others mic mute.
buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine.
Okay. So now we will start today with the first part, one part at a time we will try to describe. So take up the buccal cavity. Everyone has to note down what I am explaining. Okay, so keep your notebook in front, put today's date and write down human digestive system. So all that we have listed. So we start with the buccal cavity. So
ma'am, we have written that.
buccal cavity over.
Yes, ma'am, we have
Yes,
written
ma'am.
digestion and buccal cavity.
Buccal cavity digestion is also over.
Ma'am,
Okay,
no,
what
the
is the
subheading was
No, ma'am.
digestion
and
and
we
buccal
had done the
cavity.
outline of it. We had not written the notes.
only the parts we listed, I think, na?
Yes, ma'am, and the outline of it that how does it work and all, but we didn't
And
write
the
it
glands,
properly.
okay, glands associated also you have listed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so that was only just the brief introduction. Now we'll take up in detail. So after knowing what are the parts of the alimentary canal and knowing what are the glands associated with the system, we will move one by one each part. So now you put the subheading buccal cavity. So buccal cavity is formed of what? So we have to describe the buccal cavity and what all things are present in the buccal cavity and what is its function. So buccal cavity is formed of two jaws. Okay, you can note down. It is made up of two jaws. Now quickly name the two jaws. Shrishti Ranjan.
Upper jaw, lower jaw.
No,
Upper jaw and lower jaw.
upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay, these two jaws make up the buccal cavity. Now, did we discuss that the buccal cavity is having the upper part, which you call it as the roof, and the lower part, that is the floor? Remembering anything if you have done? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
No. So write down. So first we will discuss about the roof of the buccal cavity. So put the subheading in your notebook, roof of the buccal cavity, just roof. Okay, so the upper part of the buccal cavity, we call it as the roof. So I'll start with the presentation. Let me show you the picture. So write down roof and then write, it is known as palate. It is known as palate, differentiated into two parts.
Ma'am, it is known as
Palate, Palate. It is differentiated into
Ma'am, please repeat.
roof. You have written roof, then put a dash and write down, it is known as palate. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So write down roof and put a dash and then write down palate. Palate. So the roof of the buccal cavity is known as palate. And now what you all do, everyone, try to touch the upper part of your buccal cavity. You will find, tongue se just touch it and see. You will find that the front part, or you should say the anterior part, is hard. Could you make it out?
Yes,
Yes,
When
ma'am.
you take back side, posterior
Yes.
side, posterior end, you will find it is very soft. Could you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this way the roof of the buccal cavity is divided into two parts. We call it as the front part, or the anterior part is known as the hard palate. So write down hard palate. It is present anteriorly. Hard palate. It is present anteriorly.
Ma'am, repeat.
It is present anteriorly. 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 Did you get it?
yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
hard. It is hard and has. It is hard and has the transverse ridges. And has the transverse ridges.
Bridges.
Ridges. Ridges. You can touch it with your tongue, children. You will find some lines, sort of. Could you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
You
ma'am.
see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so those lines only we are calling it is ridges, and they are known as rugae. Ridges called rugae. 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 So what is the need of these ridges? Remember, it helps in gripping the food. It helps in gripping the food while mastication. Gripping the food while mastication.
Ma'am, it helps in what?
Again,
Ma'am, he is asking it helps in what?
what happened?
Ma'am, he's asking that
Ma'am, please
what does it
repeat.
help in?
It helps in gripping the food while masticating, means while chewing. It helps in gripping the food while chewing. Okay, the technical word for chewing is mastication. 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 That
So,
is
ma'am,
chewing.
how it helps?
How it helps? Now see, you try to remember whenever you have to take up the pill, you keep it in front part of the tongue or at the back?
Back.
Front.
Back. जैसे ही आप कुछ भी चीज अगर धोखे से भी खाते खाते if something goes at the back, आपको पता है quickly it slips down.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Ever
Okay.
observed this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happens? The last part of the posterior part of your roof now it is soft. It is muscular. Okay. So that is helping in slipping down the food. But if the same way, if the front part, anterior part of the roof will also be smooth and it will not have those ridges, so you will find the food will keep on slipping. वो proper gripping नहीं होगी तो chewing में problem आएगी. The chewing will not be done properly. Are you getting now what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is only gripping the food while mastication. But when these ridges are there, so these ridges will help in gripping the food. Now we take up the posterior part of the roof, which is known as soft palate. So write down. It's not working only. My slides are not coming. Wait now, let me see. I wanted to project the diagram only. It's not coming. Just 1 minute, okay? So you keep writing, okay? The presentation part, I don't know why. The slides are not coming, no? You can't see this diagram, no, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
That is,
ma'am.
I wanted the diagram should come up, so it becomes easy for you to understand. No? Yesterday also it was causing the problem. Okay, so you keep writing by the time I'm trying. Okay, so the posterior end of the roof is known as the soft
Soft palate.
palate.
Ma'am,
And
what is the meaning of anteriorly?
एंटीरियर मतलब आगे का पार्ट, पोस्टीरियर मतलब पीछे का पार्ट.
It's
Sorry, did you understand?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the sentence?
The posterior end of the roof,
Ma'am, the posterior.
yeah, P-O-S-T-E, sorry, P-O-S-T-E-R-I-O-R, posterior end of the roof, posterior end of the roof is known as soft palate. It helps in swallowing. It helps in swallowing the food. It
Ma'am, known
helps
as?
soft palate. It is known as a soft palate because it is muscular, na? It is soft, so we call it as a soft palate. Okay, and it helps in swallowing the food. It helps in swallowing the food. Written? Now, what you do? Did you ever observe uh, other person's mouth or your own buccal cavity in front of the mirror? You will find that when you open the mouth na, at the back, just where the food passes, there is one muscular process hanging. एक छोटा सा muscular process hanging देखा है कभी?
Yes,
Bell
ma'am.
जैसा.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So that is known as uvula. Okay, so write down. It has a small conical muscular process. It has a small conical muscular process hanging from the posterior end called
All muscular
process, hanging or suspended, we say, from the
Ma'am, please repeat.
the posterior part of the roof is soft and helps in swallowing the food. It has a small muscular conical process suspended from the end known as uvula. UVULA. Uvular. UVULA. Did you get it, all of you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Written uvula, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So uvula, now write down the function of the uvula. It closes the respiratory tract. It closes the respiratory tract while swallowing the food.
Ma'am, repeat.
It closes the respiratory tract. Closes the respiratory tract while swallowing the food. So you all know, everyone, that whenever we are swallowing the food, so for that fraction of the second, your respiration stops.
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
Yes,
that is your diagram is there now. Can you see the diagram, children?
Ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, then what's the
Yes, yes.
function of epiglottis?
Glottis. Epiglottis is different. Okay, epiglottis is the covering of the trachea. It is the covering of the trachea. And remember, in the neck region, we have the pharynx. So oropharynx is the part through which the food will pass. और उसी के लेवल पर फिर अपना नेजोफैरिंग्स भी है. So I am coming to that topic also further. तो नेजोफैरिंग्स को क्लोज करने का काम क्या करता है? यूवुला करता है. Is it very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'म.
Shall
मैम
I?
तो वाइस मैम जब swallow करेंगे हम खाना तो फिर दो चीजें रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट को बंद करने में हेल्प करेंगी, एपिग्लॉटिस भी और ये भी यूवुला.
एपिग्लॉटिस बाद में थोड़ा सा और वो दूर है, लेकिन ये और पहले है. अपना नेजल कैविटी के पास में जो ओपनिंग है उसको वो बंद कर देता है. So that's why I am just generalizing it that respiratory tract लिख लो आप. Okay, but the part is different because nasal cavity is there. आपके nostrils opening into the nasal cavity, which is further passing through the nasopharynx. Are you getting? So try
Yes,
to see in your diagram. यहाँ पर अपना टंग दिख रहा है, माउथ दिख रहा है और उसके बाद अपना pharynx part है. Okay, so buccal cavity is also opening into the pharynx and your nasal cavity is also opening into pharynx. Could you see my cursor, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This way both are at the same level. Neck पर जाके तो देखो दोनों एक साथ हो रहे हैं, pharynx. ओके, तो pharynx is divided into two. यहाँ पर देखो एक ये ट्रैकिया में जा रहा है और एक pharynx का पार्ट ये esophagus में गया. Could you see in the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
Okay, so यहाँ पर ये upper part जो आपका the roof of the buccal cavity, which we are calling it as the palate. The posterior end of the palate, which is soft palate, will have that muscular process which you call it as uvula. So uvula will do what work? That it will close the
Respiratory tract.
respiratory tract. So you can say that is the nasopharynx part. So food while swallowing will not go into the respiratory system. Is it very clear to you children this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall
ma'am.
I pick up quickly the next part?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have covered up. So we have
So, ma'am,
covered up.
because of the uvula, we cannot, the breathing is stopped while eating.
हाँ, what? हाँ, because of that only the breathing will be stopping. Yeah. Okay, क्योंकि वो सेकंड के लिए उधर वो बंद हो जा रहा है तो अपना air passage will be blocked. Very
Okay,
clear.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And epiglottis also does the same work.
हाँ, epiglottis will do the same thing. Epiglottis बहुत नीचे है, यहाँ पर पहुँच के epiglottis मिलेगा. Could you see my cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
लाइन वाला जो ट्यूब दिख रहा है ना, this which is showing the transverse lines. Okay, this is your trachea and this is your esophagus.
Hmm.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So roof is over. Now we'll come to the floor of the buccal cavity. So write down quickly the subheading floor. Okay, and in the floor you write down it has the tongue. What the floor is having?
मैम क्या फ्लोर?
फ्लोर
Tongue.
अरे रूफ वो सेम है. ओके, क्योंकि ये कैविटी है, इट इज अ रूम लाइक ओनली और बकल कैविटी. So we have given the same terms. We are saying describing same way. Okay, रूफ और नीचे वाला पार्ट जहाँ टंग प्रेजेंट है, that is your floor. 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 Floor of the buccal cavity. So it has the tongue. Now we'll quickly describe the tongue. Okay, it is muscular, attached from the posterior end. Attached from the posterior end.
Ma'am, please repeat the definition.
It is muscular, attached from the posterior end. Attached from the posterior end and has numerous papillae. PAPI double LAE. LLAE.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Has numerous papillae. PAPI LLAE. LLAE. Papillae. Written. Now what is papillae? Try to understand. When you just scratch your tongue with your teeth, you must have seen ki the small thread like structures are there.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you seen or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ऑब्जर्व किया है सबने कि नहीं किया है? नहीं किया है तो अभी करना है.
Yes, ma'am. किया है.
After my class you try to observe, okay, and see it in your mirror. Okay, it has
मैम वो
got
टंग क्लीनर से करते हैं तब भी होता है.
तब भी समझ में आता है. हाँ, correct. So small threads are there ना, that only we are calling as papillae. Okay, and papillae के टिप पर present रहते हैं taste buds. So you write down which has taste buds. Which has taste buds. So attachment also you remember what we described, that where the tongue is attached.
Posterior end.
Yes.
Posterior end.
याद रखिए.
Posterior end. Palate.
हाँ, some animals have got. अरे all don't speak up. Okay, the tongue in front. In some animals, you find the tongue is attached from the anterior end. तो वो लोग वहां से बाहर एकदम से टंग निकालते. Chameleon, you all know. Chameleon can take out the tongue that way.
Yes, ma'am.
We can
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that. Okay, so
Frog
that's
can
the
also.
attachment is different. Okay, now functions. Quickly write down the functions of the tongue. So we will list the functions. So that you all tell me quickly. Functions of tongue. Number 1,
Helps
Moving
in
the food.
speaking.
Taste.
tasting. So write down quickly. Tasting the food. Helps in tasting the food. How many tastes do we get?
4.
3.
4
4.
tastes. Okay, जल्दी से लिख
3.
लो 4 tastes. 3 tastes.
3.
Okay.
4.
Tastes. Say quickly the tastes.
Bitter, sweet,
Sweet, bitter,
Yes.
spicy,
Sour.
sour.
Okay.
sour,
Then
bitter,
एक
sweet,
चीज़ सबसे
sour,
common है.
salty.
Salty. Okay. So this way we have the 4 tastes. Okay, the tongue is able to give you 4 different tastes. Okay. Now we come to the second function. So quickly
Posterior
tell me
क्या
what is the
होता है?
second function.
Posterior क्या होता है?
What?
Posterior क्या होता है?
पीछे का बैग.
पीछे का हिस्सा. Okay.
मैम स्पाइसी किसने किया होगा?
फ्रंट के पार्ट को अपन बोलते हैं anterior. Okay. In ninth class, I gave you all the different sides of the body. I described anterior, posterior, then lateral, dorsal, ventral. Are you remembering?
Yes,
ऊपर का
ma'am.
पार्ट जो फ्रंट
Yes,
पार्ट
ma'am.
होता है एंटीरियर बोलेंगे. ओके. और जो लास्ट का पार्ट है दूसरा एंड उसका पीछे का पार्ट अपन उसको पोस्टीरियर बोलेंगे. इज इट क्लियर?
मैम
मैम पैपिले के एक बार फिर से समझा दीजिए.
What?
पैपिले.
Papillae. Okay. So the tongue has got numerous thread-like structures called papillae. Thread-like structures called papillae, which have taste buds. Okay, and
Continue,
then
ma'am.
which have taste buds. BUDS.
Yes, ma'am. Second function.
The second function.
Ma'am?
Yes.
मैम स्पाइसी टेस्ट किसमें आएगा?
Spicy, that will also come in that. Okay, you can take up one more taste. Okay.
Okay.
So now second function, who will tell me?
It helps in speaking.
Say phonation. It helps in
Mixing the
phonation.
saliva.
First लिख लो, जल्दी लिस्टिंग करो. It will waste your time. Okay, फिर एक के बाद एक बोलना. Second
Yes,
function.
ma'am. Repeat.
Ma'am helps in
Phonation.
Ma'am helps in mixing the
अरे मैम को बोलने देना.
Helps in phonation. 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 और जल्दी से लिखो speaking. It helps phonation. Then it helps. So speaking का लिख लो speech. It helps in speech. Phonation write down. It helps in speech also. You can write. It helps in speaking or the speech.
Phonation means speech.
That only. It helps in speaking. Okay. Then next function.
Mixing of the food.
The mixing of saliva. So write down. It helps in mastication. 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 So third function. Now fourth function.
It delivers food from one person.
Helps in swallowing.
It helps in swallowing. So the technical word for swallowing is deglutition. DEGLUTION. Tion, deglution. Deglution, deglution. So this way we have completed with the tongue. Now everyone knows that how many teeth we have and what are the different types of the teeth. You all
Yes,
know it?
ma'am. 32 teeth we have,
Huh?
and
Okay.
the
Four
types are
types.
incisors,
What type?
molars, premolars, and
Huh. I want some
Canine.
other, I want
canine.
some other children also to speak up. Ishika Gupta, Tanya. सिर्फ दो बच्चों को आवाज आती है.
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
children are not there in my class or what? Huh? Speak up, children. Ishika Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
name the 4 types of teeth.
Incisors, canines, molars, and
Bring your mic nearer to your mouth or just whatever it is, you clarify. Hear your voice. Huh?
incisors, canines,
Louder.
molars, and premolars.
Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay. Now, Tanya, tell me how many time do we get the teeth during the lifetime? Tanya,
Yes, ma'am.
how many times do we get the teeth during our lifetime?
Ma'am,
कितने बार दांत आते हैं?
ma'am, 2 बार.
2 बार. Okay, 2 times. So we get the teeth 2 times in the lifetime. That is during a lifetime. What is that first set called? Tanya,
दूध के दांत.
मिल्क टी मतलब वही दूध के दांत.
Sneha, don't
Milk
speak up.
teeth.
Tanya, what is that?
मैम मिल्क टी.
Correct. Okay. So milk teeth ये सब note करते जाना. I can ask you any question. Okay. So I
Ma'am,
will,
what is the side heading? Teeth.
okay, you do it yourself. Teeth. That is, you write down dentition. Okay, write down
What?
dentition. 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 Okay, so human dentition now we are describing that we find 4 different types of the teeth. So since we have 4 types of the teeth now, first term you write down that is heterodont. Dentition को हम कैसे describe करते हैं? Heterodont. Hetero means different. So we have 4 different types of teeth. Did you
Ma'am,
know
heterodont.
DONT? Yes, heterodont. Saurabh, are you there?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, heterodont. You are not speaking up anytime, not answering. Understanding?
Hetero means?
अब मैम वो तो बोर्ड्स के टाइम बताऊंगा.
Oh.
Very good. Heterodont means 4 types of teeth. Okay. So 4 types already others have named. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay. Now the second term you write down that is diphyodont. Okay. DIPHYO. This don't add up. DONT. So di means what? Saurabh?
2.
दो, टू.
हाँ, तो अब ये डाइफ्यूडोंट हमको डाइफ्यूडोंट will describe what now?
मैम 2 sets of teeth comes in a lifetime.
During the lifetime, 2 sets of the teeth. First set is known as the milk set, and the other one is known as the permanent set. The milk set is also known as a deciduous set. Can you tell me why, Tanya, deciduous क्यों बोला?
Ma'am, repeat the spelling. Ma'am, क्या
मैम
बोला?
क्योंकि वो शेड हो जाते हैं.
They shed off. Correct. They shed off. So you are calling it as the deciduous set. Okay. Then next one is your permanent set. And now the other term you add up to your dentition. So first term, what did I
Ma'am,
say?
slowly.
Okay.
हेटेरोडोंट.
Heterodont was the first one, and
First is heterodont.
एंड डाइफोडोंट वो
Ma'am को
second
बोलने
one.
दो.
I am repeating. Don't worry. Okay. Check it, everyone. Don't worry. I will be repeating. Okay, first term which we have discussed, that is heterodont. Heterodont means that the teeth are of 4 different types. All the teeth are not of same type. Second one, the diphyodont means we get 2 sets of teeth during our lifetime. Then third term you write down thecodont. Theco. Theco. DONT, thecodont. So remember children, theca means covering. So the teeth are present in the gum, in the gums. You all know that we have the gums. Okay, our teeth are rooted in the gums. So gum cavity. The teeth are present in the gum cavity. So we call it as thecodont. Noted everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the spelling of second one?
Second, DI, PHYO, PHYO, DONT.
Okay.
Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is able to note down, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we'll take up the next thing. Our buccal cavity is over. We discussed about the tongue, we discussed about the palate, and we discussed about the dentition. Now we come to the second part of the alimentary canal, that is pharynx. So put the subheading pharynx. Put the subheading pharynx. So it is a funnel shaped structure. So try to see it present in the neck region. Pharynx.
Ma'am, sorry.
Present in the neck region. And is divided into 2 parts. Divided into 2 parts.
Please repeat.
Pharynx, it is a funnel shaped structure. Funnel shaped structure present in the neck region. Differentiated into 2 parts. Number 1, write down oropharynx. O-R-O. Are you able to write down?
Yes, ma'am.
Oropharynx. Second, write down nasopharynx. N-A-S-O. Nasopharynx. So your buccal cavity opens into oropharynx. तो हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का पार्ट क्या होगा?
Oropharynx.
Oropharynx.
Okay, and nasopharynx is a part of
Respiratory.
system. Correct. Okay, so it serves as a passage of food. Function is what? It serves as a passage of food. It serves as a passage of food.
Ma'am, in oropharynx.
Oropharynx, yes. In the oropharynx, you write down, it is a part of the, that is buccal cavity opens into oropharynx. And it serves as a passage of food. Now quickly take up the next part. We reach the tube-like structure, long tube-like structure, that is esophagus. So now try to see the length of it and from where to where it is extended. So the esophagus is a narrow muscular tube-like structure. Narrow muscular tube-like structure extending from the neck, to the thorax, T-H-O-R-A-X, thorax, and reaching the abdomen, opening into the stomach.
Ma'am, repeat.
reaching the abdomen, opening into the stomach. So could you see in this figure, children?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ pharynxes, so see my cursor.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट।
Pharynxes
मैम
से
यहाँ पे
देखिए
ओरोफेरिंक्स कहाँ पे है फिगर में?
फिगर में इधर नहीं अपन को डिफरेंस दिखेगा। ओके, बट थोड़ा सा कोशिश करोगे तो ये जो एक ट्यूब इसमें जा रही है और एक ट्यूब ये इधर जा रही है, तो दिस पार्ट ऑफ इट विल बी द ओरोफैरिंक्स एंड द अदर ट्यूब, दिस पार्ट विल बी योर nasopharynx.
Esophagus.
हाँ, so that way you have to remember. क्योंकि ये एक ट्रैकिया में चला गया. Okay, and this is the long tube which is visible to us. It is the esophagus. So esophagus is coming from the neck region. It is extending further, coming through this thorax, your chest region, coming. फिर यहाँ पर ही diaphragm is there. You all know that there is a diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm is dividing the body, the whole trunk into two parts. This upper part will be called as the chest region or the thorax. ओके, और ये पूरा पार्ट हमारा जहाँ पर वी आर सीइंग योर लिवर, योर पेनक्रियास,
Abdomen.
intestine, large intestine, this is whole your abdomen. Is it very clear? So your esophagus will be passing through the opening, that is your diaphragm, and then it will open into the stomach just below the diaphragm. Okay, now what is the function of the esophagus? So it is serving as a passage of food. What is the function of esophagus?
Serving as passage of food.
It has no digestive glands, so helping in no digestion. So no digestion here. No digestive glands, so no digestion occurs. Now we come to the next part, that is the stomach. So quickly take up the stomach. Put the subheading. It is a J shape. Stomach ka shape, how do we describe?
J shape.
J shape. So write down a capital J, put a hyphen, then write down shaped. J shaped. It is J shaped, muscular, bag-like structure. Muscular, bag-like structure. Muscular, bag-like structure. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to see this whole stomach. I am showing with this cursor. This whole stomach is differentiated into three parts. The part where your esophagus is opening, this part is known as the cardiac. Then fundus. ये बीच का part जो है, that is fundus. And this part which opens into your small intestine, we call it as pyloric. So you write down, it is differentiated into cardiac, C-A-R-D-I-A-C, cardiac. Noted the spelling?
मैम कार्डियक अटैक यही होता है क्या?
कार्डियक वर्ड
नहीं वो तो हार्ट से रिलेटेड होता है।
तो फिर इसको क्यों बोलते हैं कार्डियक?
योर स्टमक इज नियर योर हार्ट ना, ये वाला पार्ट हार्ट के पास है। ओके, ये स्टमक का ये पार्ट हार्ट के पास है, इसलिए उसको बोल दिया कार्डियक। ओके, फिर ये बीच का पार्ट फंडस, F-U-N-D-U-S, fundus. And then the last part which is opening into the duodenum. This is known as this
Ma'am,
part.
what is second one?
Fundus. F-U-N-D-U-S. Fundus. Then pyloric. P-Y-L-O-R-I-C. Pyloric. What is?
Ma'am, it is the third part, na?
Third part is pyloric.
Ma'am, second one repeat.
Fundus. F-U-N-D-U-S.
मैम आज बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ लिया।
बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ लिया? अच्छा, अब तो कितना कम तो हो पा रहा है क्लास में, ओनली वन पीरियड इन अ वीक, तो फॉर अ वीक दिस मच इज इन टू मच और व्हाट? ओके, सो स्टमक नाउ फंक्शन लिख लो जल्दी से। व्हाट हैपेंस इन द स्टमक, सौरभ?
मैम
Acidification of
मतलब
food.
मैम डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड मतलब वो
डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड,
प्रोटीन्स का डाइजेशन होता है।
हाँ सारे का है, सारे का होता है। तो अभी तो बस इतना लिख लो दैट द फूड इज डाइजेस्टेड इन द स्टमक। Okay, food is digested in the stomach by the help of gastric juice. By the help of gastric juice secreted by gastric glands. Secreted by gastric
Ma'am, by the help of
gastric juice. Gastric juice secreted by the gastric glands present in the walls of the stomach. Present in the walls of the stomach.
Ma'am, secreted by
The
gastric glands.
glands. Present in the walls of the stomach. Noted, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now it's already 49. I'll end up. The other parts of the alimentary canal we'll be discussing in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
So this much what we discussed, did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम नेक्स्ट
Yes,
क्लास में
ma'am.
रिवीजन में टाइम चला जाएगा।
Take up the questions quickly. Question number 1. What is pellet? Take the question. And you will be doing the questions of life process also regularly. Okay, and all the
मैम
classes.
बट
अरे मैम बहुत हो गया, time दे दीजिएगा।
मैम आपने एनवायरनमेंट के क्वेश्चन नहीं भेजे थे तो तब से कुछ किया ही नहीं है।
अच्छा,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Environment chapter का वेट कर रहे थे क्योंकि वो सबसे पहले करना था।
हाँ, correct. Now you will get it now. I have sent it. You check it and you start your work from today only. Okay, our environment.
Okay, ma'am.
Sustainable development, then life process, सब कर लेना. Okay, so take up by next Friday. You do it all. Okay, and come to this last what I am giving today. That is, what is pellet?
Ma'am,
What are
repeat the first question.
Question answer.
what is pellet? Note down fast. What is pellet? Describe its types. Describe its types.
सेम क्वेश्चन।
Yeah, same question. Describe its types and write the function. The next question, write down. Write the functions of the tongue. Write the functions of the tongue. Noted?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Third question. How do we describe our dentition? How do we describe our dentition?
मैम spelling?
DENTITION. Dentition.
मैम डेंटेशन मीन्स टीथ।
Teeth. Yes, dentition means teeth. So 3 terms which we have described: heterodont, diphlodont, ecodont. You will write down that only. Now we
Yes,
come to the next one. Where is pharynx located? Write its function.
Ma'am, pharynx is located in
Where is pharynx located?
in the neck.
Write its function.
neck
So,
region.
pharynx is located in the neck region.
Neck
And
region.
मैम वी कैन राइट थोरैक्स आल्सो।
No.
No.
बिल्कुल नहीं लिख सकते थोरैक्स तो। थोरैक्स तो ये पार्ट है जहां अपना चेस्ट रीजन को थोरैक्स बोलते हैं. Okay, chest region जो है अपना, that is thorax. So don't write that. Okay, now come to the next part. Next question. Write the function of esophagus. Write the function of esophagus. Why no digestion occurs in this part? Why no digestion occurs in this part?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Write the function of esophagus. And the same question, why no digestion occurs in this part? The next question, describe the structure of stomach. Describe the structure of stomach.
मैम आपने ड्यूडेनम, जियोजेनम और एलियोनम बताया था, वो क्या था?
स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के
The parts of the small intestine.
मैम एक बात पूछिए।
हाँ. Okay. So
Ma'am.
the last, yes.
मैम स्टमक को हमने जे शेप माना है और कुछ बुक्स में लिखा है फ्लैटेंड यू, तो मैम अगर दोनों लिखेंगे तो सही माना जाएगा?
Again.
मैम हमने स्टमक को जे शेप्ड माना है
हाँ.
और कुछ बुक्स में लिखा है फ्लैटेंड यू।
Flattened.
यू
यू
हाँ, you
एक
can
ही
write.
बात है।
Okay.
नहीं मैम, लेकिन अगर वो लिखेंगे तो चलेगा।
हाँ, चलेगा. But some books, means most of the books I have seen J shaped.
यस
Okay.
मैम।
हाँ. So did you understand this much? So how many questions you have got today?
6.
6.
6 questions. So these 6 questions you will do it. Now I am taking your attendance once again, and then we'll end up the class. Okay, I'll stop the recording. Okay, if you have any doubt, children,